An old Mitsubishi, 300 size. I believe it's a 1984. It's been there, done that. Well, roadbuilder. Roadbuilder fuel tank. Old excavators never die. They just get older and older. Oh, they do. They grenade. They lose their pumps, their track drive motors. This one's old enough to tell stories about the good old days, though. 25 years ago. Been through the finning yard at one point. Guess you got to go by feel, not by looks with this one. You can't really see where you're going or what you're doing. Windows are a bit tough. As long as the front one works. It's got pilots though. Hey kids, they've come a long ways. This was cutting edge, and it's time to have those little joystick levers, hydraulically operated, pilot assist. Used to be all like this on the track lever with big levers on the floor. This was quite a machine in its day 25 years ago.